Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan. I'm back again with another video. The St. Andrew North Police are probing a gun attack on a taxi operator along Mannings Hill Road last night. It is reported that about 9 p.m., the 37-year-old cabbie turned up at the Kingston Public Hospital with what appeared to be gunshot wounds to the head. He was admitted for injuries received. Wanna hear that, my wisdom warriors? Una hear what go on? Una can't imagine? Boy, I don't know. When is this going to stop? Because Andrew Holness claims and spend millions of dollars on security forces, but a pure killing a go on. Pure killing. Me tell you what to do, Andrew Holness already. I'm going to say it again. You need to put up CCTV camera all over the island. That is a good way to solve all these things. Yeah? You need to put up CCTV camera all across the parishes them. And you spend how much million you spend, and I not see you put none in a camera yet. What is going on with you? What is really going on with you? But my wisdom warriors, they not going to solve the crime. We don't know why. They might build more headquarters. They might build more police station. They might build more prisons. I want to know that all the prisons and all these things what they might build is a public partnership. That means stakeholders and investors are going to need back their money when them invest and stake in this. You know, hear me? So crime now go down. And worse it get worse. Worse it get worse, my wisdom warriors. And if you have public partnership prison, you don't know what that mean. Then can't have a public partnership prison and the prison empty. All right. Take a look at my screen, wisdom warriors. Take a look at the salad, the tomato. One bag of tomato, 4,725 before GCT. Want to see this, my wisdom warriors? Just take a look. Just take a look. And Ono has said Nigel Clark are the best finance minister. Which part? Take a look. 4,725. 4,725. Then this really makes sense, my wisdom warriors. Uno says that inflation is sky high. Uno say that Jamaica, is this the prosperity we want? Is this the prosperity we want for we Jamaican people? May I ask you? Because it seems like this uno want. It seems like this uno want. 4,000. What Jamaican people forget that money? The people them will vote for you, Andrew Holness. Where them forget that the money they from? Where them forget that the money they from? Jano. Business is slow. That cry from hoteliers in and around Negril who say they've been forced to temporarily close their doors as tourist arrivals have been on the decline the last few weeks. Only hear that, my wisdom warriors. Hey, only hear that. Some hotels in Negril to close as tourist arrivals decline. Well, them put out, say some hotels in Negril to close as tourist arrivals decline. But the hoteliers, they must say different thing. They must say them have to temporarily close their doors as tourist arrivals have been on the decline. So, where is Edmund Bartlett? Where him there? Because him boast and show off every day. And I say how much people are coming and this and that. See it there? See it there? My wisdom warriors. I say when them come out and attack, a pure lie they tell. Then just want to look good upon the international platform. Pure lie Andrew Holness administration tell out here. Pure lie. Because even though the people them come out and say them have to close them doors. Them have to close them doors. Yeah, they have to close down them hotel temporarily because there's decline in tourism. There is decline in the tourist area, my wisdom warriors. Here where Edmund Bartley come out and a chat off him out say. Take in this.
Jamaica welcomed approximately 2.4 million visitors in 2024. But when August arrived, the usual high numbers of tourists did not. So much so that a number of hotels in the island are scaling down operations ahead of September. Hotelier and chairman of the Negro Destination Assurance Council, Richard Wallace, spoke to our news center.
September and October are traditionally the slower months, and we've been feeling it in August already. Some hotels actually close for the month of September. So that will give us some amount of reprieve because we don't have a lot of guests in house right at the moment. Occupancies are pretty much are very low.
But according to Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett, all hope is not lost. He says while the sector is unlikely to achieve the 7 to 8% growth projected earlier this year, tourism is still alive. Soon, Jamaica will be expanding its presence in the Latin American market. This, the minister says, will generate an increase in tourist arrivals and revenue for the Jamaican economy. Now, Mr. Bartlett is projecting the island will see some 250 to 300,000 passengers coming out of South America for the first few years.
So Jamaica has strategically now positioned itself to be a big player in South America and through the South American gateway, the Middle East. Already we have airlift arrangements with Copa, which is quite copious and allows for connectivity in a number of the countries in South America. We now have concluded arrangement with LATAM for the commencement of service out of Lima, Peru, which is a hub for much also of the South American countries, to begin December 1.
The final elements left to complete the arrangement include discussions with Avianca and Colombia.
When we met with GOL, they have direct code sharing and interlining with Avianca, and they have looked at how to feed into Bogota from Sao Paulo, from Rio de Janeiro and Brasilia, and to enable a flight arrangement with Avianca from Bogota to Jamaica.
My wisdom warriors, don't hear him. Don't hear Edmund Bartlett. Me I tell you no. Don't hear him. One thing with them, man. They never come contact the truth. Them always have excuses after excuses. Seriously. But don't tell me what you think and put an honest opinion in the comment section. Hear this. President of the Private Sector Organization of Jamaica, PSOJ, Metri Siaga, says a collaborative approach is needed to tackle the issue of crime and corruption. Wait there, hold on. Andrew Wallace not saying have the crime under control. This is what Andrew Wallace is out here saying. So how UNO PSOJ is out here talking about UNO want to tackle crime and corruption? Okay. UNO want to tackle crime, corruption. Thank you for actually coming out and say. So that means that all along, PNP was telling the truth about the corruption. Hear it, my wisdom warriors. PSOJ calls for collaboration to tackle crime and corruption. But who is being corrupted? The only person I see being corrupted and all over the media is Andrew Wallace administration. And them are the only corrupted government. My wisdom warriors, you see how them are come out and expose themselves? But PSOJ, every single thing Andrew Wallace administration do, you always agree with them. Why? The question may I ask you, why? Why every single thing you agree with them? Why? Me not understand. You come out and say una call for collaboration to tackle crime and corruption. Where is the corruption? Where is the corruption? The corruption start from Andrew Wallace administration. So me like how una come out. Me say God real, and my wisdom warriors. When me telling us God real, them a expose themselves right in front of everybody's eyes. Yes, I gotta make them a do this, you know. Me see a God make them a do this, my wisdom warriors. You can imagine PSOJ is calling for collaboration to tackle crime and corruption. So how you call for tackle crime when Andrew Wallace say crime is under control? This is what Andrew Wallace is saying. In the public platform, attack how he spend millions on security forces and crime is reducing. So this is to show us say, Andrew Holness I tell lie my wisdom warriors, because if crime are reduced, this a money uno want on collaboration. You wanna call for that. Talk to me, my wisdom warriors. Would the PSOJ coming out and say they want tackle crime and corruption? I'm glad I want to come out, because look what is going. Look what is going on in Jamaica. Look what is going on with the corruption. Andrew Holness not signed the code of conduct. Andrew Holness is under investigation. We now have 8 parliamentarians under ongoing investigation for illicit enrichment, plus 28 public officials. Come on, I'm in a year. Uno come out, PSOJ. Uno not say nothing about it. Andrew Holness can't declare an asset. Andrew Holness break the law of the lands. He break the constitution. Day in and day out. I'm in a area come out, brother, and say nothing about that. But now you're all talking about one collaboration to tackle crime and corruption. My wisdom warriors, wanna tell me what you think about this, because me I telling you say, God real. God real, my wisdom warriors. God is real. Them a expose themselves in front of we very eye. Cause look how PSOJ come out while Andrew Holness a pal off how crime under control. Andrew Holness a pal off. They make all the paper come out and say how travel advisory in America shift in Jamaica favor. When nothing no go so. Me show it to Uno over here, my wisdom warriors. Me show it to Uno over here. When I have to just go back and watch the video if Uno never see it. Yeah. So when you see these people coming out, I really tell them, I tell you in a plain sight, what them are doing, and what is happening. Because this is really an exposure, This a man said they want collaboration for tackle crime and corruption. You can't imagine? Lord Jesus, you know what? I'm going to leave this one to you. Tell me what you think. Put your honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Guys, remember to run over to my TikTok and my IG page. Follow me. The link I got there in the comment section. Also, you can reach me on WhatsApp, which is 876-236-9097. Blessings upon blessings. One love.